Please go through this logical reasoning problem quickly. This is a problem on, this is not on seating arrangement. Parama, are you there? I hope you are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a problem on games. And tournaments, okay. Which I will do. I have not yet done this chapter with you. I think quickly go through this one quickly.
স্যার,
হুম
বলছিলাম যদি ক্যাটে আমরা যে কোনো একটা ডিফিকাল্ট কোয়েশ্চেন ধরো, যদি আমরা ওটা লিভ করে দিই তাহলে কি আমাদের কি ওটা নেগেটিভ মার্কিং হবে নাকি
no no
জাস্ট?
no no if you
ওকে,
don't attempt why it will be negative marking, of course.
ওকে,
Negative marking is there only for those questions in which there are options. I mean MCQ. There are some questions in which you have to enter the numbers. Okay,
ওকে, ওকে,
there you don't have negative marking. You have negative marking only for questions which is options. Okay, let's do. 8 boxers P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W participated in an interstate boxing championship. These players were ranked from 1 to 8 in any order based on their rating before the tournament. In the tournament, each boxer had exactly 2 bouts against every other boxer. I don't know what does bout mean, but I feel it is a game. Okay. In the tournament, each boxer had exactly 2 bouts against every other boxer. Try to understand this statement. These are very important statement. Okay. This one. Okay. What it is telling? In a tournament, each boxer had exactly 2 bouts against every other boxer. So that means what? Say if I pick up P, P is going to have how many bouts? P is going to have how many bouts? Can you tell me? P is going to play with how many people? Tell me quickly. P is going to play with how many people? 7 people, right?
7.
7 people into 2. Why? Because with each of them he is going to play 2 times. It is given, no, in a tournament each boxer had exactly 2 bouts. So that means if P is playing with Q, he will play 2 times PQ PQ. That is 14 bouts. Q is going to Q is going to have play how many bouts?
There's 14 bouts.
No. See, when P is playing 7 with 7 people, that means P has played with Q already. Now Q will again not play with P. Yes or no? His match with P is done. Q will now play with QR, QS, QT, QU, QV, QW. That means Q is now going to play 6 into 2, that is 12 bouts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, got it.
Right? Orijit, Rachel, Dipakshi, Sotto.
হ্যাঁ বুঝেছি।
Yes, sir.
Huh.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
R is going to play how many bouts? Tell me.
5 হয়ে যাবে।
Sir,
5
10.
into 2, that is 10 bouts. S is going to play 4 into 2, 8 bouts. T 3 into 2, 6. U 2 into 2, 4. B 1 into 2, 2. W has already played all the bouts, so W will not be taken for counting. If you add all of them, what are you going to get? 14 plus 12 is 26, 36, 44, 50, 54, 56 bouts in total. Understood? In this entire game, in this entire tournament, 56 bouts are happening. This is the information that I got from this statement. Now, the bouts are scheduled on consecutive days, that means one after the other. Any day, okay, any day exactly 3 bouts are scheduled, and these bouts involved 6 different boxers. Please try to analyze this information. Any day exactly 3 bouts are going to be scheduled. If that is the case, how many days will be taken to play these many bouts? Tell me. Fifty-six bouts are there. On one day, 3 bouts are happening. How many days will be taken to play 56 bouts?
168.
Butcha? You need to divide by 3, right? Why are you multiplying it? In one day, 3 bouts. So 3 bouts played in one day. So 56 bouts will be played in 56 by 3, right? That is almost 19 days. If you divide 56 by 3, you will get 18 point something. That is 19 days. Understood till here? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now it is given. So if that is the case, if 19 days, okay, 19 days it is taking to play all the matches, 19 days of tournament. So that means if it is starting from Monday, if the match is starting from Monday, on which day the match is ending? Because that is question number 1. That is why I am telling. Question number 16. If the tournament started on Monday and there are no rest days, then it would be finished on which of the following day? Start counting 19 from Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that means on Friday, all the bouts are completing. Did you understand? Right? So the answer for the first one is actually Friday. Okay, now, uh, now remember one thing, that any day exactly 3 bouts are scheduled, and these bouts involve 6 different boxers. So 6 different boxers are playing. So that means what, P is playing with Q, P is playing with Q. In another one, R is playing with S. In another one, T is playing with U, like this. Different boxers. Achha, 2 points are awarded for a win, 1 point for a tied bout, and 0 point for a loss. So let us find out that 2 points are awarded for a win. So someone is winning, someone is losing, like this it is going. So what is the maximum point that is awarded for a tournament? So total points awarded is how much? How many bouts are there? 56. So 56 into 2, that is 112 points, right? This is the total number of points assigned. Now, at the end of the championship, remember, at the end of the championship, the boxer who scored most points. Okay, at the end of the championship, okay, the boxer who scored most points got the first rank, which is of course correct, and the boxer with the second most points got the second rank, and so on. Okay, if two or more boxers try to understand, if two or more boxers scored the same number of points, then the boxer with the best rank before the championship would get the best rank among other players with the same points. What does it mean? This particular statement, very crucial. It means, say for example, boxer number PQRST. Okay, before the championship, P has first rank, Q has second rank, R has third rank, S has fourth rank, and T has fifth rank. After the championship is over, after the championship is over, so this is the ranks. Remember, these are the ranks. After the championships are over, we see that P has got 2 points, Q has got 2 points, R has also got 2 points, S has also got 2 points, T has also got 2 points. All of them have got 2 points. Then what are their ranks? Their ranks will remain the same. Their ranks will remain the same. This is the meaning of the statement. Clear? Poroma, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Rachel, Orijit?
Yes, sir.
স্যার লাস্টের দিকটা আরেকবার বলবো ওইটা
This one, okay. See, it is given that before the championship, say for example, we have these boxes PQRST, and they are given these ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They, before the championship, they already had this rank. After the championship is over, it is observed that P got 2 rank, P got 2 points. All of their points are same. Now, if their points are same, how will you rank them? If their points are same, then their rank before the championship is equal to the rank after the championship. Alright.
ওকে ওকে ইয়েস স্যার
Okay. Achha. Okay, so that is the case. If two or more boxers scored the same number of points, then the boxers with the same rank rank will remain same. So let's go to the questions. If the tournament started on Monday and there are no races, then it will be finished on which of the following day? Friday. We already answered that. Now see, come to number 17. If P ranked 1 before the tournament, try to understand. If P ranked 1 before the tournament and he got the first rank after the tournament, then which of the following could be the minimum possible points? See, try to understand what it is telling. Minimum possible points. We just learned that if all the players get the same number of points in the championship, their rank before and after remains the same, right? That is what we learned. If all the boxers, okay, get the same point, okay, then their rank remains the same. What it is given? It is given that P got first rank. P got first rank, then, and after the championship also he got first rank. What is the minimum possible points that each one can get? See, what is the total point? 112, right? If the rank of the boxers before and after needs to be kept same, then the minimum criteria that can happen is all the boxers have got the same point. Yes or no? Minimum criteria is all the boxers got the same point. Do we agree or not? That means 112 divided by how many boxers are there? 8 boxes were there. So each one will get 14 points. This is the minimum point that they can get, which is C. Did you understand? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
স্যার 112 বাই করছি কেন 112 টা টোটাল নাম্বার অফ
Total number of points. Total number of points that was assigned to a set of to the tournament was 112 points, right? Now it is given that P had first rank before the championship, and after the championship also P had first rank. Then what is the minimum point that each can have? So what is the criteria? The criteria is that if the points, if each of the boxers get the same point, you cannot rank them anymore, right? You cannot change the ranks. If each one has got the same point, then their rank before and after remains the same. And that is what the question given over here, that if P ranked 1 before the tournament and he got first rank after the tournament, then which of the following could be the minimum possible point? Then the minimum criteria is what? That each one has got the same point. So there are 8 boxers, so 8 boxers, 112 points distributed equally among 8 boxers is what? 112 by 8, that is 14 points. That is the minimum point that each one can get, provided all of them has the same point, because the rank before and after is same. That is what it is given. Understood?
ওকে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বুঝেছি
What is it?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
This was question number 17. Okay, now 18. What it is telling, if P got the first rank in the tournament and Q got the last rank, then minimum possible difference between, again see talking about minimum possible difference. So that means what? Before the tournament, see what it is given, if P got first rank in the tournament and Q got last rank in last rank, then the minimum possible difference between the points of P and Q, minimum possible difference, we will again take this case only, that is the minimum possible difference, right? If see we have calculated the minimum criteria, that means 14 points is the minimum point that each one can have, provided their ranks before and after remains constant. Okay, so this is the minimum criteria case. So that means P and Q, both of them have got 14 points. So what is the difference? What is the minimum difference? Talking about minimum difference. Minimum difference is 0. Yes or no? Did you understand? Okay. Now let's come to number 19. If only 2 boxers R and S finished with the same number of points, see, it is given if only 2 boxers R and S finished with the same number of points, okay, if only 2 boxers R and S finished with the same number of points, then find the maximum possible score obtained by the last rank boxer in the championship. So what is the question? The question is, if only 2 boxers R and S, okay, there are 2 boxers R and S finished with the same number of points. So R S finished with the same number of points. So if I just write it in this way, P Q R S T U V, and it is given, I am writing it rank wise, okay. R has got the same rank, and it is given that the last rank, find the maximum possible score obtained by the last ranked boxer in the championship. Okay, so if I just write it in this way, okay, if only 2 boxers R and S finished with the same number of points, then find the maximum possible score Okay, then find the maximum possible score obtained by the last ranked boxer in the championship. So last ranked boxer maybe say this one. Now say same number of points they have got. So what is the minimum point that a person can get? As I told you, 14. Now let me assign 14 to him. Okay, 14 and 14 to him. So that means now here I cannot assign same points to everyone because it is given that only two boxers have got the same rank, same number of points. Okay, so that means others have got different points. So if this is 14 and 14, then this one will be what? 13, 12, 11, and I need to now see total points has to be what? 112. Then there has to be a 15, 16, and this W will not be here, it will be over here, assigning 17. If you add all of them, you will get 12, 112. So if you add them, because the addition should be 112. You might say that why didn't we do 14, 14 and then 15, 16 and then 13, 12, 11 and then 10. If you do that, you will see you will not get 112. You will have to get this 112, right? So R and S has got the same point. So assigning minimum points to them, 14, 14, because this is the minimum point that I mean this is the point that each one can get equally. So if I assign them 14 and 14, if see this is condition based, I'm not telling this is fixed, just condition based. Okay, if I'm assigning 14 and 14 to them, then the others will get points in difference of 1. Okay, why difference of 1? Because what it is given, maximum possible score. Okay, that is the reason. So if R and S is getting 14 and 14, I need to assign 15, 16, 17 and 13, 12 and 11. Okay, so the lowest possible score that the boxer can get is 11. Did you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.